What should we do now? Oh no!
Gross!
Oh! Get it for me.
Oh.
I've got an idea. Hi, I need support. Okay, I'll check it out. Arrived. Very good.
Wow!
What is wrong with him? Okay, done. Good job! Wow, that's great! Move! Move! Okay, easy. Yes! I can't. It hurts. Wonderful.
Uh-oh.
Let's get down to work. We have to finish the job within today. Keep going. Let's go home. Wow, it looks good. Are you ready to go? I am ready. Okay, let's go. Wow, that's great.